and you will be having classes for 1.5 hours Monday to Friday. We also offer a weekend batch which happens 3 hours per day, Saturdays and Sundays. So in this 1.5 hours, you'll be having a 40 minutes of theoretical session, 10 minutes of break, and again 40 minutes of a lab session. We have both software as well as hardware labs. For online students, we offer softwares like GNS3 and Packet Tracer with lifetime validity. And also we have classroom labs where people can walk into our offices or to the classroom. They can do physical labs on our routers, switches and firewalls. With CCNA, you'll be getting following materials as a free support. We'll give you CCNA Volume 1, Volume 2 ebooks, Command Guideline book, 31 days before CCNA exam ebook, 35 lab topologies with 4 live projects, and recording of all the labs will be shared to you. Apart from this, we also conduct a mock interview every week. So we'll be covering around 5 to 6 mock interviews during your training program. Let's talk about the number of job openings we have for CCNA. For this, you simply need to go to Naukri and type the keyword network. So as you can see in my screen, we have these many job openings going on currently as per today's recording. Let's talk about salary scale. To find out what salary you're going to get, you have to go to payscale.com and type CCNA pay scales. As you can see, the freshers gets around 25,000 as a take-home salary per month in India. Let's talk about the placement services we have in Network Rhinos. So we normally start the placement services from day 1 onwards. Like the day 1 you join, we'll give you sample resumes and sample Naukri profile and LinkedIn profile, and we make sure you get it all done by day 3 of the classes. By day 5, we will verify your resume, we'll verify your Naukri profile, LinkedIn profile, and make sure it is up to the mark. If in case something need to be changed, the trainers will inform you. From day 14 onwards, we will start sending your resume to all our